Welcome back. Now that we've got the stairs in our building, we can actually copy this to the other levels should we want to. And we do because we'd like to get up and down the building. So what we have here now is a section view of the floor, or floor 2, or floor 1 I guess we've drawn the section view on. I've drawn a small section view facing in towards the stairs so that you can easily see just that portion of it. We'll take a look at it from this part. As I click on the section 3, you can see that there are the stairs right there readily available to select. But what we're going to do is we'll have to filter this out again by selecting everything that's there. We'll go into filter, and in this case we don't want quite a bit of this stuff, so we'll select none for right now. We'll go railings. We'd like to have the railings, the top rails. We don't need the shaft openings to be selected. That's all the way up to the top. Like the stairs, stair landings, stair runs, stair supports, and we don't really need to copy any of the rest of that. We've got all that anyways. We can grab those, and that, there we go, gives us our stairs that we have. What we want to do then is go up to the ribbon where it says copy to clipboard, and we'll copy that to clipboard. Then right beside that, of course, is a paste from clipboard. We'll go down here just below there to open it up, the menu, and we want to align to select levels. So with that, we've already got one that's on floor 1. There's no point in doing a floor 1 again. We'll just floor 2 up to floor 5, and whoops, we don't want to do that. We'll select that again, floor 2 up to floor 5, and then we'll use our control button this time and select the slab level. We don't need floor 6 because that's going to put it way up through the roof line. That's not what we want to do. We're only really trying to get up from floor 5 to floor 6. That's fine. And then we'll have slab level is, keep in mind that we're not using the levels, we're using the actual floors that we're dealing with. So we've got those ones selected. We'll press OK, and that should copy it up. And look at, there we go. We've got it all copied all the way up to where we need it to go. So fantastic. We've got a stairway all the way up to the top, and that will complete how we get our stairways put from our foundation level all the way up to level 6. Now our people can get up and down the building as we see fit. It's great. They can get up. We'll get them to where they're going anyways. So we've got that, and it's actually quite a not too bad of a structure in there. We could, in fact, do something with this and load in families. We could put in an elevator into the next thing if we had such a thing to go in there. Certainly isn't an issue really to do that. We can load in that here. 1 second. So what we can do is we can load in our families for our elevators. What you could have done, as there isn't really a option for that in our project right now. The Revit doesn't actually have such a thing on hand. What you could do is you could go into a Revit City, and RevitCity.com is a good website. You can go into there and take a look at what they do have. They'll have plenty of different families, different models to download, and you can select yourself an elevator type if you'd like to have it in there. I happen to have one on my computer that I can put into there. We're going to go into load families, and we'll look into it. I know where it is for myself. I've put it into a class project from before. We'll open that one up. It says the model's being upgraded. That's fine. So now I've got a 4-person lift we can put into our project. But I'll need a wall in my shaft there for that to happen. That's okay. We know how to build those. So what we can do is go and we'll build our wall. Give it a nice architectural wall. We'll maybe put a we'll actually continue on with our masonry wall that we have here. We'll put another one in. We'll select that from the side here. We've got 6-inch masonry. Actually, we can move this right up to the wall if we'd like to. The shaft. We don't even need to add in a wall. We'll move our shaft opening over to where it needs to be. Once again, we can manipulate all this stuff, move that over to where it has to be, and we'll probably have, I have the sense that we'll probably won't need nearly as much room on this as what we've got here for this. So put that in there, and then we'll go back into putting our component in. We've got our lift, and that's going to require a wall. We don't really want it on that side of the wall, however. We want it to go on the other side of the wall, so we have to click it so that we'll end up on the other side of the wall. We'll put one there, maybe another one there. Sure, we'll put 3 of them. That looks great. Why not? We still got these doors from, maybe the maintenance guys got to get in there. Maybe they put some storage in there. I don't know. Whatever. But we can have those in there, and then we'll take a look at what we've got, and we won't be able to see it in this one. Should be able to see it from our 3D view, however. We'll escape out of there so we're not placing a bunch of the elevators willy-nilly into the drawing. And we've got at the bottom, you can see that we've got 3 elevators that are currently into this drawing. We'd like to, of course, not just have a 1-floor elevator. That doesn't really make a whole lot of sense. We'd like that to carry on all the way up to the top. So we've got to copy that all the way up to level 6. So we'll take these, elevator, 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 and we're going to copy this to clipboard, paste from clipboard to selected levels, and we've got it obviously already in floor 1. We can do from floor 1 all the way up to floor 6, and we'll put one down in the slab level. Control button and select the slab level, and that should do it all the way up. There we have it. We have elevators. You can get around in this building now. How great, right? So there we have it. We've got a building that you can essentially get around in. We can put all kinds of new doors, and we can put some walls into the structure if we'd like to. We can add some furniture into there, make it our own. But for now, that's what we've got in there, and we'll continue on with the next video.